Is this letter silent or not silent? I'll be using Read Korean Step-by-Step ebook, which you can grab on my bio, and let's make sense of this character. First, I want you to know there are 14 basic consonants in Korean, and this middle one right here is one that you're confused about. This can be silent or it could have a sound, at times. This is all you need to remember. When this character comes in the beginning, it's gonna be always silent. Take a look at this example. This just appeared in the very beginning. So now it's going to be completely silent and you're just going to be pronouncing the vowel a and g, e, agi. That means a baby. But when this character comes in a final consonant, which is 받침, now it's going to make that sound. Like you go to the bathroom and you're like, Let's take a look at this example. Do you notice that this character is not in the beginning? It's at the bottom. Then it's gonna have a sound. So now it's a g, o, 공. That means a ball. Let's read Korean step by step. We got this.